Rushing all around, acting like a maniac. Whiplash. Back in it against the stage like you did before. Make it ring, make it bleed, make it really sore. In a frenzied madness, leather and his spikes. Heads are breaking all around his heart is out tonight. Adrenaline starts to flow, rushing all around, acting like a maniac. Whiplash. On the stage of martial noise piercing your ears. Kick your ass, kick your face, and in fucking tears. Now's the time to let it rip, to let it fucking loose. Cause here's a man and youngest, this is what we choose. Adrenaline starts to glow, rising all around, acting like a maniac. Whiplash. Another time, another gig, again we will explode. Hotel rooms and motorways, murdered in your bed. Never stop, never quit, we are mode ahead. Adrenaline starts to flow, rushing all around, acting like a maniac, acting like a maniac. Whiplash, motherfucker. Take my life, but I'll take yours too. You fire musket, but I'll run you through. So when you're waiting for the next attack, you better stand, there's no turning back. The bugle sounds and the charge begins. But on this battlefield, no one wins. The smell of acrid smoke and horse's breath as I plunge on into certain death. It's a very great to run, mighty roar of the Russian guns. As we race towards the human wall, the screams of pain as my comrades fall. The huddled bodies laying on the ground, and then the Russians fire another round. We get so near yet so far away, we won't live to fight another day. pulls the trigger and I feel the blow. The bus around takes the horse below. And as I lay gazing at the sky, my body's numb and my throat is dry. As I lay forgotten and alone, minority hear my final groan.
Ё